as the sun breaks through.
Happy anniversary, my love.
Perfect morning.
I never thought I would meet someone whom I will spend the rest of my life with. My first and last.
And it tells us
High school nung una tayo magkakilala.
how far we've
Young and innocent. But as the years went by, we've seen each other grow and mature into grown-ups we are today. Time has passed and we still have each other.
now. All at once I
A little bit older,
realize you
gained some weight,
and it feels like
but the love we had 13 years ago is still there.
we're so better. We start forever now. All at once I realize you are mine.
Hazel, my high school crush, now my wife. Love, this is our day. Nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord dahil hinayaan niya na umabot tayo dito. Salamat dahil nandyan ka sa mga panahon na sobrang hirap ko. Yung tipong nagsaside na tayo ng barya para makumpleto yung pambayad sa Burger King at Tonton's. Dumating na rin tayo sa punto na kinain natin yung donut sa Starbucks sa kabilang table. Pero hindi naman po yung nagalaw. Nakita lang namin na iniwan ng customer na iniwan niya. Nanghinayang lang kami. Pero ito tayo ngayon sa bagong yugto ng ating buhay bilang
All
mag-asawa.
these words are true. Help me to remember this. I promise you that it doesn't matter
I mentioned this to you before,
as long as we
but with all the things you've done for me,
from this moment on
bringing me closer to God
each other.
is what I am grateful for the most.
Baby, there's no doubt. All at once I realize you're mine, and it feels like daylight.
Hazel, my love, huwag kang mag-alala dahil simula ngayong araw, kasama mo na ako sa pagharap sa mga problemang darating sa buhay mo. Araw-araw kitang patatawanin, pasisiyahin at yayakapin.
You are mine. I waited my life to find you, but now that it's finally come true, can't forget that white dress, baby. The way you shine, Ooh.
Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Sa oras ng kalungkutan, pwede mo akong iyakan. Sa oras na kailangan mo ng karamay at kausap, lagi akong nakaantabay. I promise to respect and love you. I promise to make you feel safe and secure. I promise to love you until my last breath. Ikaw sa bawat araw, ikaw lang palagi. Ikaw sa bawat pag-alis at pag-uwi, maraming salamat sa pananatili. Mahal na mahal kita, Mrs. Almira Celeste Haner Roldan.
Life in your eyes. All at once I realize you're mine, and it feels like daylight in your eyes. But we're so better. We start forever now. All at once I realize you are mine. Realize you are mine.
We had our fair share of ups and downs. We may have different strengths and weaknesses, but we are at our very best when we are together. Power couple, sabi nila. But I don't wanna be overwhelmed with this title, for I know that what we have achieved together is not solely by our own strength, but by God's grace.
Someday we'll be flipping through our old photograph.
What is that?
Birthday.
Happy birthday. Anong unahin ko? Hello, love. Hanggang boxers mo may muka ko. Haha. Baka magkalimutan eh. Joke lang. Love. Ha. Ha.
Basang-basa lahat.
For you ang Dior na ito. Dior? Dior. Stay mabango and pogi, happy. Haha. I can't wait to see you later. I love you always.
I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better
Patay.
than when I'm with you. When I'm with you, I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. Let's take our time looking
Hi,
at
love.
each
Here is
other
my
the
gift
way we
to
do.
you. Para mas lalo kang gumanda. Bumango, okay. And also, here's my another gift na hindi mo alam, ha. Hindi mo alam, naubos. Nabawasan ko na yung laman ng savings. Yari. Benta na lang natin after. See you later. I love you.
I'm with you. I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. I can't explain the way I feel.
I am standing in front of you and in front of everyone to say na ready na ako. Ready na ako sa mga hilik at sa mga utot mo. I will not promise that I will be the best wife at all times, but I will everyday pray that may our Lord guide me in giving my very best to share this journey with you as your partner and mother to our soon babies. Para sa Coco Martin ng buhay ko. I love you so much, love.
I know that you feel the same way too. Shows in every little thing you do. Nothing's better than when I'm with you. Than when I'm with you. Yeah, than when I'm with you. Then when I'm with you.